Hi everyone, welcome to another week of Carolyn and her clothes. So this outfit today might look familiar to some of you. I wanted to wear it again for a very special reason, which I'll show you in just a minute. This is a houndstooth sweater vest that I got from Ever Eve directly. This blazer is very old, probably circa 2018, also from Ever Eve Jameson. I believe the sweater itself is by the Ever Eve label. Underneath, I'm also wearing an Ever Eve top. It's just a white Henley with a snap button front closure, long sleeves, and I have it paired with my mother jeans, which I recently received from a Stitch Fix, and my black loafers that are, I believe, Franco Sardo, also I got from a Stitch Fix. And if my special guest star wants to come here and see exactly why, she came home from college and I said, wait a minute, you're wearing my vest. So she got this vest on her own. You bought it from somebody else? So this is a recycled vest, right? She bought it from another student.
$10.
$10. She bought it from someone at college. Underneath, I imagine she's wearing one of my long sleeve white shirts. It's not your mom, one of mine? Okay, it's hers, she says. And a necklace with a little moon and a ring.
They don't care.
A ring with little turtles on it. And, or what are your jeans by?
I don't know.
Probably American Eagle. And
jeans.
My kid is wearing fuzzy socks, no shoes. And that is our outfit today. What are we doing? Well, I'm going to Loft. I asked my daughter if she wanted to come with me. She says, yes, there's a puppy store next door. So I guess we're going to the puppy store. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday, and what am I wearing for today? Well, first I took a day off from the gym, need that break to recuperate and regenerate, plus it was a benchmark of a 1 mile run, and I don't really do benchmarks anymore. What am I wearing? Well, this outfit was inspired by a Daily Look ad. Daily Look has been hitting me hard with their ads, wanting me to subscribe to their services, but every video I see is kind of negative on Daily Look, so I've been holding off on that one. But I like the outfit they put together, and I said, you know what, I can recreate that. So this is a royal blue sweater I got last year from Loft. I usually wear it with my Vero Moda skirt that I got from Stitch Fix. It's like a plaid skirt. But this time I paired it with a pair of dark wash jeans that I got from a Fashion. They're by Just Black. I love these jeans. These fit me so comfortably. Like, they fit me well. So these are probably not going to go out of my closet for some time. But what I really also like about them, they're a dark wash, but they're not that over-dyed dark wash that bleeds everywhere. So I've never had a problem with these bleeding, but yet they're a clean dark wash jean. They do have the unfinished hem, which I'm kind of bummed about. I wish they had a finished hem. Like, I'm starting to get away from anything distressing, undone, etc. And at one point, I really liked unfinished hems because you could cut them, but I've never actually cut an unfinished hem. So I am looking for basic traditional stuff. I don't know if that's the new style because we're going towards preppy, or if I'm just getting older. Underneath this, I paired a chambray shirt by Calslon that I got at a Nordstrom Rack a few years ago, and my black Vince Camuto booties that I got from a Stitch Fix that have a quite high heel here. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday, and it's actually becoming a lot, quote, warmer outside, like into the 30s, which is much more moderate for this time of year for us. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this ivory sweater that has some chevron detailing in the knit that I got from Ever Eve probably a year or 2 years ago in this nice ivory. Paired with it, I have my cut from the cloth straight leg pants in burgundy that I received in a Stitch Fix, and my burgundy loafers by Macy's. I think they're called Sun and Stone or something like that I got last year for pretty cheap, for like $35. And yeah, this is my outfit from working from home today. I was originally going to wear a scarf with this, but when I put it on, I didn't like it. It was just too much going on around the neck. And yeah, so this is what I'm wearing today, and take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday morning. I'm trying to be a little quiet because my daughter is still sleeping. She is going to be working from home today so she can get a little more beauty sleep in before she needs to sign on. It's about 20 to 8. went to the gym, nearly died, came home, made my peppers, took my shower, took my peppers out of the oven when I got out of my shower, and here I am. So what am I wearing today? Well, this outfit was very similar to the outfit that I wore on Sunday, but I wanted to mix things up. I am wearing a loft sweater vest from this fall. It's navy blue with white stripes. I paired it with a pair of loft jeans that I recently got. I showed them to you, I think, in last week's video. They're cuffed. They're meant to be cuffed. This is like a new style now where you have a straight leg with a big wide cuff on the bottom. So they're not too long for me. This is actually the style that they're supposed to be. If you're taller, they're going to be probably too short on you. Maybe you would want to unroll them and just use them as a straight leg. I paired with it again my trusty black loafers. I tried on my ivory loafers, thought the black looked better, so I kept it with that. And underneath I have a white button down by Calvin Klein that I got from Macy's. And yeah, this is my outfit for today from working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday and I slept awful last night. I fell asleep at 7:30 at night, woke up at 11:30, and I literally been up since. Got up, went to the gym, could barely do anything because I just did not have the energy. Here I am, pouring rain out there, gonna be 55 today, so I decided to wear this more early fall type of outfit because I thought it was seasonally appropriate based on the weather. So the jacket and the top are from my Front Door Fashion. The jacket is by Liverpool, the top is by Michael Stars, and I was putting on my moisturizer this morning, and I got moisturizer on my Michael Stars shirt. Not too happy about that. So I decided to do a front tuck to cover the big fat stain up on my shirt, but in doing so, you see my pants are a little bit too tight. I am working on that. I am wearing my mother denim that have the big holes here in the knees, and I am looking for a replacement pair of these. I want the same thing, just no holes or distressings, and like a cropped length, like this, like a straight leg like this that isn't too long. Love these jeans. I'm just kind of over the whole distressing, and I have it paired with my loafers. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, finally. Rest day for me. Went to nutritionist this morning, came home, had my breakfast, and been online. Here I am at work again. What am I wearing today? Well, it's casual, it's Friday, and I know this is a very basic outfit, but I saw it on Every Eve, thought I haven't worn my olive pants in a while, so I figured I'd pull them out of my closet and do this. It's about 40s today, so not really terribly warm, but not terribly cold. I am wearing my level 99 jogger style pants with my Gola sneakers. This striped top that is, who is this by? I think this is by LA Made, not 100% positive. It came from Ever Eve several years ago. Here, let me show you the sleeves on this. It has a very exaggerated balloon sleeve. Love it. Sits in my knit top drawer, and sometimes I forget to go to my knit top drawer. And over it, I'd have a denim jacket from Prosperity. So I'm in a very casual, comfy look today, and even though the top came from Every Eve and the joggers I bought myself directly from Level 99, I saw this outfit, again, just kind of recently posted on Every Eve's site as, you know, like a model just showing off, and I'm like, you know what, let me put this together. I like the look, and I think it's kind of casual and laid back, and I know it's very basic, but sometimes I just feel that way. Okay, take care, and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is finally Saturday, and what am I doing today? I went to the gym this morning and just did a strength training workout. No running for me today. Tomorrow is back to my usual regular workouts. Came home, showered, had my breakfast, spoke to a couple friends on the phone, and I'm hopefully gonna get my Wantable today. So they teased me with a resort style edit for free for me, so I said why not, and they shipped it out on FedEx on Thursday. It was supposed to get here yesterday. It is now delayed with no updated date, so fingers crossed today, maybe tomorrow. What am I wearing today? Well, today I was actually inspired by another Daily Look outfit. So Daily Look has been advertising to me heavily, all right? I have not purchased from them yet. I am tempted, but I've heard not good things about them. So I'm a little bit nervous in buying things Right now, I'll try and recreate their looks. I'll try and remember to insert a picture, if I can even figure it out. I have new software technology on my phone. Insert a picture of the outfit that I actually am copying. I'm wearing a cut from the cloth burgundy coated denim jacket. With it, I have paired this paisley-like top. It's like a floral / paisley. It's by Daniel Rain, and it's simply just a t-shirt, all right? I got this many years ago from Stitch Fix. The bottoms are my wide leg corduroys from Loft with the patch pocket fronts, and my brown booties by Steven. And this is my outfit for today. This is my last day of styling for this week, so see you next week, and thank you again. Take care until next time.